อ Hello and welcome. Settle in, get comfortable, and let's take a gentle journey into the world of hair care. Tonight is all about you, your relaxation, and the simple, effective ways you can care for your beautiful hair. Let the sounds guide you into a state of deep calm as we explore these tips together. First, let's talk about washing. Many people think they need to wash their hair every single day, but that can strip away its natural, protective oils. This can leave your hair feeling dry and your scalp irritated. Instead, try washing it every 2 to 3 days. Pay close attention to your scalp. Use your fingertips, not your nails, to gently massage the shampoo in. This cleanses the scalp without causing any harsh friction. Imagine the feeling of a gentle massage, stimulating blood flow and promoting healthy growth. When you condition, focus the product on the mid-lengths and ends of your hair. This is where your hair is the oldest and needs the most moisture and nourishment. Applying too much conditioner at the roots can weigh your hair down, making it feel heavy or greasy. Let the conditioner sit for a few minutes, allowing it to penetrate deeply. As you rinse, use lukewarm or cool water. This helps to seal the hair cuticle, locking in moisture and adding a beautiful, natural shine. Now, let's think about brushing. When your hair is wet, it's at its most fragile. Instead of using a regular brush,